When it comes to getting maximum enjoyment with minimal effort, it's hard to beat Irish soda bread. It's a one-bowl wonder that comes together in just a few minutes. A heavy Dutch oven is an ideal cooking vessel for today's recipe. If you don't have a Dutch oven, but you do have 2 cast iron skillets, you can use one as a makeshift lid for the other. Just make sure they fit together okay before you get started. Also, handle them with extreme care when they're hot. Americanized versions of Irish soda bread often include bits of dried fruit. We're going to stick with tradition and keep it basic. This bread is best eaten the day it's made, so try to prepare it when you'll have hungry tasters on hand. The equipment is a Dutch oven, a large mixing bowl, measuring spoons, a whisk, a measuring cup, a timer, parchment paper cut a little larger than the cooking vessel, a rubber spatula, a knife, a large spoon, and a cooling rack. The ingredients are 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 1/8 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 1/4 cups of full-fat buttermilk, be sure to shake it before measuring it, and non-stick cooking spray. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Whisk the flour, salt, and baking soda together for 1 full minute. Add the buttermilk. Stir until just combined. Then gently stir and fold the dough for another 20 seconds. Crumple the parchment paper into a ball, then uncrumple it and press it into the Dutch oven or skillet. Spray a sharp knife with cooking spray and set it aside. Pour the dough onto the parchment paper and mound it into kind of a bowl shape. Make 2 deep crisscross cuts into the dough. It's going to be very sticky, so don't expect your slashes to be picture perfect. Cover and bake for 40 minutes. Remove the cover and bake for 5 minutes more. Remove the bread from the oven and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Then transfer it to a cooling rack. Wasn't that easy? You can see why Irish soda bread has been a favorite daily bread in Ireland for centuries. In fact, it may very well be the quickest of the quick breads.